To remove admin from Facebook page using your Android device, go ahead and open Facebook application. Once you are logged into your Facebook application, tap on the profile icon. Again, tap on this down arrow here and select your Facebook page. Tap on these three horizontal lines here. Select settings. Select page settings. Scroll down and then select page access. Now here you will see another admin. To remove it, tap on these three dotted icons here. Select remove from page. Now you have to enter the password of your Facebook account. Confirm. Now the admin has been removed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.